What if I told you that acne are not your enemies? They are just your wake-up call that tells you that something is not right with your body right now. You don't need to get scared. You don't need to hate them either. You just have to treat them in a positive way and a right way. Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Unaiza Khan. I'm founder and director of Allure Greens. And today I'll be talking about one of the most scary and concerning skin issues, that is acne. Its scientific name is acne vulgaris. I've been seeing lots of patients who are suffering from acne lately, and people are extremely scared and they are petrified because it leaves permanent marks on their faces. Sometimes it leaves scars too. So people really consider themselves of having a disease when they get acne. And I'd been getting a lot many queries on this. So I decided to go ahead and make a video on this. Acne is actually a condition of our skin where the hair follicle gets obstructed due to cell debris and excess oils. So it becomes a whitehead, then a blackhead, then the bacterial infection happens, and then after inflammation it gets converted into acne. Now we'll move on to its causes. Number 1, genetics. If either or both of your parents have had acne in their lives, there's a fair chance that you might also get them. Number 2, and the most important, is hormonal imbalance. This is the most important cause because in my practicing years, 80% of the people who were suffering from acne were also passing through hormonal imbalance, be it polycystic ovaries or premenstrual syndrome or certain tumors which causes excess secretion of androgen. Androgen is a hormone that triggers sebaceous glands to secrete more oil. Due to this, the hair follicle gets obstructed and the acne appears. Number 3 is diet. People who eat more sugary foods, high carbohydrates, they are more likely to develop acne. Number 4 is stress. Stress is not directly related to the formation of acne, but people who are suffering from chronic acne have also high stress levels. Now comes the treatment part, which is my favorite. Whenever I treat patients with skin disorders or skin diseases, I always tell them that there are 2 factors which are very important in this. Number 1 is lifestyle modification and number 2 is medicine. Now, lifestyle modification is extremely important in treating skin disorders because oral medicines and antibiotics you can take only for a limited period of time. So you need to change your lifestyle. That means you need to eat more fruits and vegetables, you need to higher your intake of water, you need to exercise daily, meditate, and you need to remove toxins from your body. Number 2 is medicinal part. Now, at Allure Greens, we trust only botanical actives and potent extracts to treat acne. So, 2 things I have chosen. One is rosemary extract and the other is jojoba oil. Rosemary extract is a very potent extract because it contains anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial properties, and it also reduces the redness of acne, which is inevitable in acne. And the second is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil I've included in my cream, that is a moisturizer cream for oily skin. Yes, you heard it right. An oily moisturizer for oily skin type. There's a lot of people think that oily skin doesn't need a moisturization. It's wrong. Oily skin needs moisturization as much as dry and another skin types. I personally do not believe in oil-free moisturizer in the long run because oily skin also needs oil for its shine and glow and deeper hydration. For this purpose, I've selected jojoba oil because it is non-greasy and non-comedogenic. So I've included in my day cream and I call it a dry cream. You can find all my products at my website www.alluregreens.com. I've tried to make this video as useful as possible, but still if you have any queries, you can reach me through WhatsApp, through my website, and also you can DM me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.